SERV, stock analysis and price prediction. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out, because I'm giving you my arguments and my exact play. So, SERV Robotics, sitting at $13.31. We're like $8, close to $9 up from Friday. Last week's performance was a good 75% increase in price. So the way that I'm looking at this is I still want to continue and take it higher. How's that going to look like? So I simply want to see the price pull down inside my demand zone, give me a double break, and only then I'll take it up. Simple. That is like really all there is to it, to my approach, because that's what following rules pretty much is about. Just for context, the strategy that I'm using has previously given me thousands of correct predictions in 2023, 2024. And I'm telling you all this because it is the truth and I've documented everything, you know, so. Yeah, if it starts going without me, so be it. I'm not going to try and run after it. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews 5 stars. See you in the next one.